Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. Very happy that successfully I am doing third live video. I hope you'll all like these live videos. Any suggestions, please comment below. I'll go through all those things. Uh, this topic is permutations and combinations. Actually, I did one video on permutations and combinations regarding fundamental principle of counting. In fundamental principle of counting, total two things are there. One is fundamental principle of multiplication, another one is fundamental principle of addition. Those two things I discussed in that last class. In this exercise number 7.1, permutations and combinations, first exercise problems we are doing, NCERT textbook, class 11. Exercise number 7.1, all the problems we are going to complete now. What I am trying to say, in this exercise, all the problems we'll do with the help of fundamental principle of multiplication. All the problems of exercise 7.1 we will do with the help of fundamental principle of multiplication. I'll quickly recall what is fundamental principle of multiplication. If a work can be done in two ways, if there is a work if a work can be done in two ways, for example, what to say, same example what I explained in last class, same thing I'll take. Suppose this is your village. 1 minute. Okay. You suppose this is your village and this is Bangalore and this is New Delhi. Actual work is you need to reach New Delhi from your village. Okay. Actual work is you need to reach New Delhi from your village. This is the actual work. I divided this into two works. First work is what? Reaching to Bangalore from your village. I suppose that this can be done in three ways. You can reach Bangalore by train, you can reach Bangalore by car, you can reach Bangalore by bus. Suppose three modes of transportations are available to reach Bangalore from your village to Bangalore. From Bangalore to New Delhi, I'll suppose that there are two modes of transportations is available. One is you can go by flight, another one is you can go by train. This is a train 1, train 2. Here you observe total two works are there. First work is reaching to Bangalore, second work is from Bangalore to New Delhi. Actually one work it is. Actual work is you need to reach to New Delhi. If there are two jobs, first job can be done in m ways, second job can be done in n ways. By fundamental principle of multiplication, we can say that this total job can be done in mn ways. That is fundamental principle of multiplication. Correct? See here, first work can be done in how many ways? First work can be done in three ways, right? And what about second work? Second work can be done in two ways. By fundamental principle of multiplication, the total work can be done in six ways. That means to reach New Delhi from your village, there are total six modes of transportation is available. What are those six modes of transportation? First, train 1. By taking train 1, you will reach to Bangalore and then you will catch the flight. Okay. To reach Bangalore, you will take train 1. Oh, 1 minute. Here. Yeah. Train 1, see this one. First, you will take train 1 and then you will take the flight. That is one way of reaching New Delhi. Okay. Second one, train 1 and then you will take train 2 to reach New Delhi. Okay. Next, you will take car to reach Bangalore. You will take car and then you will take flight. Okay. This is one way of reaching New Delhi from your village. Okay. And then first thing, car and then by train. Four ways of transportation is over. Now to reach Bangalore, you will take the bus and then flight. Okay. And next one again, to reach Bangalore, you will take bus and then you will take train 2. So here you observe total how many modes of transportation is available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 ways are there. Correct? So Yeah, same thing we got here. What I am trying to explain, I am trying to explain what is fundamental principle of multiplication. If a work can be done in two ways, first work can be done in m ways, second work can be done in n ways. By fundamental principle of multiplication, the total work can be done in mn ways. Okay, good. So by fundamental principle of multiplication, the total work can be done in mn ways. This is fundamental principle of multiplication. That is what we learned in last class. Right. Now, uh, all the problems in this exercise, we are going to do with the help of fundamental principle of multiplication. You see this first question. In this is exercise number 7.1 NCERT textbook class 11. In that, the question is like this. You observe, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of digits is allowed? Assuming that repetition of digits is allowed and repetition of the digits is not allowed. Okay. First thing, given digits I'll write. What are the given digits? These things will take as I am writing the notes. See here, given digits. What are the given digits? Given digits. What are the given digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the given digits. Actually, what I am trying to do, I am trying to form a 3-digit number. So what I will do here, I will take 3 boxes like this. Okay, I will take 3 boxes like this. I need to form a 3-digit number na. So here, first bit you observe, I am doing this first bit. Here. What is the first bit? Repetition of digits is allowed. Repetition of digits is allowed. Okay. So first box can be filled in how many ways? In this first box can be filled in how many ways? Repetition of digits is allowed. That means here you are forming a 3-digit number. Na? Suppose you see 232. This is a 3-digit number. In this repetition is allowed. First bit repetition is allowed. Na? This is also counts. This type of things. Okay. Right. So what I will do here. First box can be filled in how many ways? First box can be filled in 5 ways. What are those 5 ways? I can fill the first box with 1. I can fill the first box with 2, 3, 4 or 5. So first box can be filled in how many ways? First box can be filled in 5 ways. I'll write the same thing. Okay. Okay. I'll write here. First box. Okay. As a repetition is allowed. As a repetition is allowed. First box can be filled in how many ways? First box can be filled in 5 ways. Okay. What are those 5 ways? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5. Okay. 1 minute. Yes, first box can be filled in how many ways? First box can be filled in 5 ways. What are those 5 ways? Here in first box, I can write 1, I can write 2, I can write 3, 4, 5. What about second box? Second box can be filled in how many ways? Here we are doing first bit na, repetition of digits is allowed. So first box can be filled in how many ways? First box can be filled in how many ways? Repetition is allowed. Na? This can be done in 5 ways. In second box, I can write 1. I can write 1, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Repetition of digits is allowed. Na? So, second box can be filled in 5 ways because repetition of digits is allowed. What number you written here? What number you written here? Same number I can write here also. I hope you are understanding. Okay. So, here repetition of digits is allowed. That's why this second box can be filled in 5 ways. What about third box? Third box can be filled in how many ways? Third box can be filled in 5 ways because repetition of digits is allowed. So here I'll write like this: as a repetition of digits is allowed, as a repetition of digits is allowed, second and third box, second and third box can be filled in how many ways? 5 ways. So here what I am trying to form a 3 digit number from the given 5 digits. Okay. So here first box can be filled in 5 ways, second box can be filled in 5 ways, third box can be filled in 5 ways. Now by fundamental principle of multiplication, how many 3 digit numbers we can form by using the given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll write the same thing. What is fundamental principle of multiplication? Here actually total 3 works are there. Actual work is forming a 3 digit number. I divided this into 3 works. Okay. First work, filling this box. Second work, filling the second box. Third work, filling this third box. By fundamental principle of multiplication, the total work can be done in how many ways? 5 into 5 into 5. So I'll write the same thing here. Okay. Yes. Therefore, by fundamental principle of multiplication, here writing the things will take time. Please have patience. And these steps are important. So many students they feel difficult to write these steps. So try to understand the concept. By fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of 3 digit numbers, that can be formed using digits. What are the digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When repetition is allowed. When repetition is allowed is what? By fundamental principle of multiplication, repetition allowed is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. You see here, first work can be done in 5 ways, second work can be done in 5 ways, third work can be done in 5 ways. By fundamental principle of multiplication, the total work can be done in 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 is what? That is 125 ways. I hope you are understanding. Okay. So in this question, what they are asking here, first bit is over. Repetition of digits is allowed. When repetition of digits is not allowed, this is important. When repetition of digits is not allowed, then how many 3 digit numbers we can form? Okay. Second bit. First point. What are the given digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the given digits. What I want to form? I want to form a 3 digit number such that repetition of digits is not allowed. Correct? Repetition of digits is not allowed. Okay. What I'll do here? Again, same way. First box can be filled in how many ways? Yes. First box can be filled in how many ways? Here repetition of digits allowed or not allowed? Repetition of digits is not allowed. So first box can be filled in how many ways? In first box, I can write 1 R, 2 R, 3 R, 4 R, Y, 5. Correct? As repetition of digits is not allowed, first box we have a choice. We can fill all 5 numbers. Any one number we can write. So first box can be filled in 5 ways. Okay. So here I'll write first box can be filled in 5 ways. What about second box? Second box can be filled in how many ways? Second box can be filled in how many ways? Here repetition of digits is not allowed now. What number you written here, same number you cannot write. For example, in first box you written 4. You suppose in first box you written 4. In second box you cannot write 4. You cannot write 4. You can write 1, you can write 2, you can write 3, you can write 5. That means second box can be filled in how many ways? Second box can be filled in 4 ways only. I hope you are understanding. So here, as the repetition of digits is not allowed, second box can be filled in 4 ways. What about third box? Here in this box I written one. Here in this box I written one digit. In this box I written another digit. What digits I used in these two boxes, I cannot use same digit in this third box. Okay. So here actually total 5 digits are there. In these 5 digits I already used 2 digits. How many digits are remaining? 3 digits are remaining. I already used 2 digits in first box and second box, right? 3, correct? So here what I can do here, this can be done in how many ways? This can be done in 3 ways. Okay. So what the point is here, what I am trying to find, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when repetition is not allowed. When repetition is not allowed. Okay. Here I divided this into 3 boxes, filling first box, second box, third box. By fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of 3-digit numbers, that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when repetition is not allowed. Yes. So many comments are there. Very good, Rahul. Rahul, I like your videos. Actually, sir, my coaching class is going. Okay, Rahul. Good. 5 into 4 into 3. Sai, very good, Sai. You are correct. Okay. Fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of 3-digit numbers that can be formed using the given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when repetition is not allowed is 5 into 4 into 3. 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60. So, how many 3-digit numbers that can be formed by using given digits when repetition is not allowed is 60. So, the point is here, if I write the notes, it is taking so much of time. So, I recommend you to write the notes like this. First, given digits you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then you write 3 boxes like this. Then first step you write like this. As repetition is not allowed, first box can be filled in 5 ways. You write that step. Step number 2. As repetition is not allowed, second box can be filled in 4 ways with the remaining 4 digits. Okay. And third box can be filled in 3 ways. Therefore, by fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of 3-digit numbers that can be found using given digits when repetition is not allowed equal to 5 into 4 into 3, that equal to 60. I hope you understand this. Now, we will move to second question. All of you observe this second question. What they are asking in this second question, how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed? How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? If the digits can be repeated. First point, what is the given information? First I will write the given digits. Okay. Given digits. Okay. Given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3-digit even number we need to form. We need to form a 3-digit even number. Okay. So what I will do here, I will write 3 boxes, 3-digit even numbers. Okay, even number, 3-digit even number. You observe this 245. Is it a 3-digit even number? No. By seeing this units place, if units place is even number, then we say that it is a even number, 3-digit even number. So here, to form a 3-digit even number, units place must be filled with even number. Correct? What they are asking, 3-digit even number we need to form. To form a 3-digit even number, unit place must be filled with even number. So, unit place can be filled in how many ways? Here, how many even numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. In the given digits, total 3 even numbers are there. So, here, this can be done in how many ways? This unit box can be filled in 3 ways. What are those 3 ways? I can fill with 2 or 4 or 6. I hope you understand. So you write 3 boxes like this. What to write in the first step? To form a 3-digit even number, To form a 3-digit even number, unit place must be filled with even number. That is, unit place must be filled with 2 or 4 or 6. Okay, so this can be done in 3 ways. Now, what about this second box? Here repetition is allowed or not allowed? Digits can be repeated. If the digits can be repeated, that means repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed. So here, as the repetition is allowed, second box can be filled in how many ways? Total how many digits they given? 6 digits they given. Can I fill the second box with any one of those digits? Second box can be filled in 6 ways. What are those 6 ways? In second box, I can write 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Why? Because digits can be repeated. What number you written in this units place, same number you can write here. That's why second box can be filled in 6 ways. I hope you are understanding. What about this box? This can be filled in how many ways? Repetition of digits is allowed. Here repetition of digits is allowed. So total 6 digits are there. So this can be filled in how many ways? This can be done in 6 ways. Okay. So by fundamental principle of multiplication, what we can say? By fundamental principle of multiplication, what I can say? I can say that the total number of 3-digit even numbers that can be formed using given digits equal to 6 into 6 into 3. Okay. If we multiply them, you will get 108. See, if I write all the steps, it is taking so much of time. So if you want steps, you please let me know. I am trying to explain all the solutions quickly. Okay, right. Now, yes. So successfully we completed 2 problems. Yes, we completed 2 problems. Now we will move to next problem. Question number 3. Okay. So what is question number 3? Yeah, that's great. That's great. Question number 3. What is question number 3? How many 4-letter code? Look here, 4-letter code. How many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of English alphabet? How many 4-letter code can be formed using first 10 letters of English alphabet if no letter can be repeated? If no letter can be repeated, that means repetition of letters is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Okay. So first thing, what are the first 10 letters of English alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. Total first 10 letters of English alphabet. What I need to do? I need to form a 4-letter code. So what I will do here, I will write 4 boxes because I need to form a 4-letter code now. Okay. Now, repetition is allowed or not allowed? Look here. If no letter can be repeated, that means repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. So I will come from this first box. First box can be filled in how many ways? Here, A, B, C, D, like the total 10 alphabets are there. First box can be filled in 10 ways. Right? First box can be filled in 10 ways. What about the second box? Repetition allowed or not allowed? Repetition is not allowed. No letter can be repeated. Repetition is not allowed. What letter you written in the first box, same letter you cannot write in the second box. So now how many letters are available? Total 9 letters are available. So second box can be filled in how many ways? Second box can be filled in 9 ways. I hope you are understanding. Okay. What about third box? Repetition is not allowed. What letters you written in first box and second box, those letters you cannot write in the third box. You cannot write in the third box. So here I already used 2 letters from 10 letters. Now how many letters are remaining? 8 letters are remaining. So this third box can be filled in how many ways? Third box can be filled in 8 ways. So I'll write the same thing. Third box can be filled in 8 ways. Okay. Now what about this fourth box? Repetition is not allowed now. Out of 10 letters, I already used 3 letters. Now how many letters are remaining? 7 letters are remaining. So this can be done in how many ways? This can be done in 7 ways. Okay, actual work is forming a 4-letter code. I divided this into 4 works, filling first box, second box, third box, fourth box, like that. So final conclusion is what? Therefore, by fundamental principle of multiplication, the number of 4-letter code that can be formed by using first 10 letters of English alphabet is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. If you multiply all these things, you will get 5040. Okay, suppose if you want to write all these things stepwise, what you need to do? First, this is the first step. Okay, next, this is the second step. Next, third step. First box can be filled in 10 ways. First box can be filled in 10 ways. Next, second box, as repetition is not, next step, as repetition is not allowed, second box, third box, fourth box can be filled in 9, 8, 7 ways respectively. Fifth step, by fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of 4-letter code that can be formed from the first 10 letters of English alphabet when repetition not allowed equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, that is 5040. Okay, right, good. So we completed third problem. Okay, it's good. We completed third problem. Now we'll move to fourth problem. Okay, let me check the comments if we got any new comment. Dheeraj Kumar Sa, good evening. Yeah, good evening. Nice presentation. Thank you so much for your support. Very good. Yes. Now we'll move to this question number 4. Right. All of you see question number 4. Question number 4. First point, we'll try to understand what they given. How many 5-digit telephone number can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9? How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67? Each number starts with 67. No digit appears more than once. No digit appears more than once means repetition is allowed or repetition is not allowed. Here repetition is no digit appears more than once. That means repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Okay. First thing, what are the given digits? How many digits are there? Given digits 0 to 9. Here total 10 digits are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9 total 10 digits are there. Correct? Yes. 0 to 9 total 10 digits are there. What you need to do? 5-digit telephone number you need to form. Correct? Okay. So what I'll do here, I'll write 5 boxes. I divided this into 5 boxes. Okay. Now first box can be filled in how many ways? As you see here, each telephone number starts with 67. As telephone number starts with 67, first box can be filled in one way. What is that one way? That is 6. 6 is the only option we have because 5-digit telephone number begins with 67. So here I'll write first box can be filled in one way. What is that one way? With the number 6. What about second box? As the telephone number starts with 67, second box can be filled in one way. That is what? 7. In first box, I'll write 6. In second box, I'll write 7. I hope you are understanding. I'll do one thing. Right. First box can be filled in one way. Second box can also be filled in one way. Okay. To form a 5-digit telephone number which begin with 67, I came to know that first box can be filled in one way, second box can be filled in one way. Now, third box. Here, repetition is allowed or not allowed? Repetition is not allowed. They given that repetition is not allowed. Here, total how many digits are there? Actually, total 10 digits are there. 0 to 9, total 10 digits are there. I already used 2 digits. 6 and 7 I already used. Now, how many digits are remaining? How many digits are remaining? Out of 10 digits, 2 digits I already used. 8 digits are remaining. So this third box can be filled in how many ways? This third box can be filled in 8 ways. What are those 8 ways? Other than 6, 7, whatever the remaining numbers are there, you can write that number. As repetition is not allowed, this third box can be filled in 8 ways. I hope you are understand. As repetition is not allowed, what about this box? What about this box? This can be filled in how many ways? Actually, three numbers already used out of 10. So 7 numbers are remaining. So this can be filled in how many ways? 7 ways. What about this one? This can be filled in how many ways? 4 digits I already used. Repetition is not allowed. So this can be done in how many ways? 6 ways. So what is the final conclusion? Therefore, by fundamental principle of multiplication, by fundamental principle of multiplication, by fundamental principle of multiplication, what I can say? The total number of 5-digit telephone numbers that can be formed using the given digits such that each letter begin with 67 and no digit appears more than once is 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. If you multiply all these things, you will get 336. I hope you are understanding, right? So we completed fourth problem, right? Let me check we got any new comment. No new comment. Okay, no problem. Right, good. Thank you very much. And we'll move to next question. See this question number 5. What is this question number 5? A coin is tossed 3 times. Coin is tossed 3 times. Okay. And the outcomes are recorded. Coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Generally, coin means what we can see. Actually, coin means head or tail. Okay. Total, how many coins are there? A coin. One coin is there. That one coin only tossed how many times? That one coin is tossed 3 times. One coin is tossed 3 times. Okay. So, for example, a coin is tossed first time. I'll write here. If I write, it is taking time. Okay, I'll explain. A coin is tossed 3 times. Suppose a coin is tossed first time. How many possible outcomes are there? How many possible outcomes are there? 2 outcomes. I'll suppose those 2 outcomes are head or tail. I'll suppose that those 2 outcomes are head or tail. Okay, alright. And when a coin is tossed second time, what are the possible outcomes? When a coin is tossed second times, what are the possible outcomes? Head or tail, right? So 2 possible outcomes are there. When a coin is tossed third time, what are the possible outcomes? And again 2 outcomes, head or tail. So what I can say here, by fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of possible outcomes when a coin is tossed 3 times is 2 into 2 into 2. That is what? 8. So the total number of possible outcomes when a coin is tossed 3 times is 8. I hope you understand this. So we completed 5th problem also. One more problem is remaining. We completed 5 problems. Yeah, good. So we'll move to 6th question. Yes, 6th question. What is the 6th question? Easy question. Given 5 flags of different colors. Flags, physical things. 5 flags of different colors. Okay. How many different signals can be generated? How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires use of 2 flags, one below the other? Simple. Suppose to generate a signal, we need 2 flags. Okay. Here, what about one below the other? What they are saying, 5 different color flags are given. 5 different color flags are given. How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires 2 flags? Okay. Here, what I can say about this one? This first one below the other is there. Now, 2 flags I need to keep. Here, total 5 flags are there. Now, I'll keep 1 flag. That means this can be done in 5 ways. First one can be done in 5 ways. Okay. So 1 flag I taken and I kept here in the first box. Okay. Now, how many flags are remaining? 4 flags are remaining. Na? So this can be filled in how many ways? Here I can keep any one of the remaining 4 flags. That means second box can be filled in how many ways? Second box can be filled in 4 ways. Therefore, by fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of different signals that can be generated with the use of 2 flags, one below the other, is 5 into 4. So 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is what? 20. So total 20 signals we can generate with 5 flags. 5 different color flags, one below the other. I hope you understand. I hope you understand this first exercise of permutations and combinations. Please give your valuable comment. Let me see if anybody given comment for this. Hello sir. Yes, Venkatesh and BM. Hello. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please drop a like for this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.